Good morning, class. Today we will discuss about Unit 2, first lesson, Telangana, the pride of the people. Here, the lesson name is Telangana, the pride of the people. So here, our state has many religious festivals, and now our Telangana also became a separate state. So here we will see the conversation between the family, that is the father, son, daughter and the mother, how they are discussing about Telangana, our greatness. And so here Hari is a father who is sitting in the armchair. So he is reading the newspaper. Then in his face there was a full of emotions. Then his son name is Kiran. His son name is Kiran. Kiran is saying that daddy or dad, why is your face is so emotional? What is there in the newspaper? Then his father told that today is the red letter day of our for us, because our Telangana has separated into a separate state and many people sacrificed their life for this day. We all praise that people. Many great people sacrificed for us. So now our country is that our state is becoming separate and Telangana is becoming the separate state. So then that is Hari, and that Kiran asked that what is the specialty in our Telangana state. Then Hari replied that there is many festivals in our state. Some are religious festivals and some are other. So some of the festivals are Bonalu, Batkama, Pirla Pandaga. So Bonalu, what is meant by Bonalu is celebrated in the Ashada Masam Sunday, and in this Bonalu all the ladies will cook the rice with jaggery and curd and cook the rice in the gattam, and they put the gattams on the head and go for the temples and offer that gattams to the Lakshmi Devi Mahankali, etc. This is about the Bonalu. And what is meant by Batkama is done in the time of Dashera. So all the ladies in the houses prepare beautiful Batkamas with Tangedu, Gungu, Puvu and decorate very beautifully, and they put all the Batkamas together and they sing the folk songs by revolving around the Batkamas. So this is about Batkama. And what is Pirla Pandaga is, it is also a religious festival. On that day the god will come, that is the god statues will come on the road, that is the people who are in the involved in the Pirla Pandaga will taken from the gods, and they taken from the gods to the middle of the road and have a shows on it. This is all about the Pirla Batukama, Bonalu and Pirla Pandaga. And we have many religious festivals. All that is, we have different languages, but we all live in same state, and our language is slightly different, but all the cultures and all are same. So here another speciality of Telangana is Pochampalli, Gadwal, Narayanpet. These are the three villages where the saris are very much beautiful saris are available in Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet, and are very famous saris with attractive patterns. And Sirsila is a village where saris are prepared that fit in the matchbox. It is not a little thing, that the saris are made which will fit in the matchbox. This is a specialty of Sirsila. And Nirmal, what is about Nirmal is the toys of that is Chakka Bommalu, the toys of the Nirmals stole the heart of the humans. That the toys are very attractive and beautiful. This is about the specialty of Nirmal. And another one is this all. Above from this all, there is a Jataras also in our state, that is Samakka Saraka Jatara. It is held and that is for 2 years there is one time Jatara. So here Samakka Saraka Jatara, here the biggest Jatara in Warangal. So here many people, that is the lakhs of people go for this Samakka Saraka and Jatara. It is held very beautifully. This is a famous one in the Warangal. So this mainly this festival is for tribal people, but all people involved in this Samakka Saraka Jatara and offer jaggery to the god like a gold. That is, the jaggery is named as gold. And Ogukada. So Ogukada is the that is, nowadays we have cinemas and all. On that days there is Ogukada. Ogukada is very famous. Now also in some temples it will be held. So here Mallanna, Birappa and Engamma, these three people are very famous for the Ogukada, where they tell the Ogukada like the story is revolving, that is story is before in front of us. They will involve in that much way and they tell the Ogukada. And there is many places in Telangana like Salarjung Museum where antique pieces were preserved. That is, the olden pieces were preserved in the Salarjung Museum, and the Nagarjuna Sagar and the Golconda. So Golconda has one specialty, that Kancharla Gopanna. So here Kancharla Gopanna is a Bhakta Ramdasu. So he is a devotee of God Rama. So he was arrested and given punishments in the Golconda fort. So here there is a specialty that the punishment was given in the Golconda fort only. The Kancharla Gopanna, also called as Bhakta Ramadasu. And many people like Bamera Potana and all, they sacrificed their lives and they told about our culture, our customs, all in that is Granthas. So here this is all about the Telangana state, that is festivals and the saris and the Jataras and Ogukada and different places and all. So here finally we are saying that we should preserve our cultures, or we should preserve our old antique pieces in order to show to our future generations that we have that much specialty in our olden days. So this is all about the Telangana. Now our Telangana is a 28 state separated. So hope you understand. Thank you.